This is Abid Hussain Malik from Abid Financials. Welcome to our YouTube channel Abid Financials. Today we are going to discuss
USPS 943, that is relevant to automotive mechanical.
and I shall go through all questions with correct answers. I shall read each and every question and give you the best possible correct answers. Let's move on laptop.
Assessment test 2026, and these are real exam answers. Let's start our question number 1. Which of the following condition will result when a brake drum is out of round? Option A, a low pedal. B, a spongy pedal. C, a high pedal. D, a pulsating pedal. The correct option is option D, a pulsating pedal. Question number 2. Which of the following emission control system is common to all cars and light trucks made at present time in the US? A, air injector reaction. B, PCV positive crankcase ventilation. C, CCC computer control combustion, and D is improved ignition. Correct answer E is ACS, air cleaning system. Correct option is B, PCV positive crankcase ventilation. Question number 3. If an automatic transmission, which of the following is the part of planetary gear set? Option A, impeller. B is modulator. C is pinion. D is alternator, and E is rotor. Correct option is answer C, pinion. Question number 4. During a cylinder leakage test, what is indicated when air escapes through radiator from two adjacent cylinders? Option A, worn cylinder walls. B, defective cylinder head gasket. C, leaking piston rings. D, worn exhaust valve. Correct option is option E is burnt intake valve. Correct option is B, defective cylinder head gasket, blown head gasket between adjacent and cylinders. So number 5, which of the following would cause a soft spongy brake pedal? Option A, air in hydraulic system. Bent caliper retainer. C, wrapped rotors. D, out of round drums. E, loose lug nut. Correct answers option A, air in the hydraulic system. Question number 6. A PCB valve is controlled by which of the following? Option A, valve lifter. Option B, throttle cable. C, engine vacuum. D, rocker arm. E, exhaust pressure. Correct option is option C, engine vacuum. Question number 7. What is the wrong during a compression test if a low compression reading goes up after a small amount of oil is squirted into a spark plug hole? Option A, defective rocker arm. B, worn lifter. C, cracked cylinder head. D, worn piston rings. E, burnt intake valve. Correct option is D, worn piston rings. Question number 8. A vacuum gauge connected to well-turned engine should show a steady reading between which of the following during the engine idles? 23, 7, 4, 8, 14 by 22, and 32 by 38, and 28 by 32. Correct option is 14 by 22. Option C is the option. Next question is so number 9. In front band of an automatic transmission is applied through which of the following? Option A, servo lever. B, rear clutch. C, flywheels. D, pinion gear, and E, shaft bearing. Correct option is servo lever. Question number 10. Which of the following is used to adjust up the down clearance between an I-beam or solid front axle and the spherical? And option A is idler arm, B is truck arm, C is thrust bearing, and D is kingpin. E is spacer shims. Correct option is spacer shims. Question number 11. During a cylinder leakage test, what is indicated when air escapes through the radiator from two adjacent cylinders? Option A, worn cylinder walls. B, defective blown cylinder head gasket. C, leaking piston rings. And D, worn exhaust valves. E, burnt intake valve. Correct option is B, defective cylinder head gasket. Lesson number, that's all for today. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and I have created a lot of videos regarding USPS and Walmart and others, QuickBooks and Zero. And please share with your friends. If you need any help, please text me at my this WhatsApp number. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
That's all for today. Please visit my channel with financials, and where you can go for the playlist, and here you will find a lot of videos. This is a playlist, and these playlist of level 3 target and CBS forms, and level 2 questions, and QuickBooks level 2 certifications, and Walmart. All these information you can find here. I have also created the videos regarding QuickBooks level 1, level 2 exam answer and their study materials. You may also learn the QuickBooks training. This is my YouTube channel, and I help the people to grow their businesses. Please attach with my YouTube channel, and you can learn for more. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Text me at my WhatsApp number.
Hi, this is Abid Malik from Abid Financials. Today we are going to discuss USPS 421 Window Clerk Exam Assessment Test. These are the practice questions. And let's start our question number 1. What is the USPS mission statement? Option A, provide fast, expensive universal service, and provide trusted, affordable universal service. And C, provide only primarily service. And D, focus on international mail service. So the correct option is option B, provide trusted, affordable universal service. Question number 2, what types of clock does USPS operate on? Correct answers: 12 hours for 24 hours universal time, local time. Correct option is option B, 24 hours. Question number 3, what does the abbreviation DMM stand for? Delivery Management Manual, Domestic Mail Manual, or Distribution Mail Manual, Direct Mail Manual. Correct option is B, Domestic Mail Manual. Question number 4, what is primary shipping service of USPS guarantee overnight or next day delivery? Option A, priority mail, B, express mail, C, parcel select, and D, first class mail. Correct option is option B, express mail. Question number 5, what is the maximum weight for priority mail? Option A, 50 lbs, 70 lbs, 100 lbs, and 25 lbs. The correct option is option B, 70 lbs. Number 6, which form is used for proof of mailing with correct certified mail? Option A, PS form 3813, PS form 3800, PS form 1412. Correct option is option B, PS form 3800. Question number 7. What does GSIT stand for in customer service? Option A, great inquire suggest thank, guide inform sell track. Option C, greet inform serve terminate, and option D, gather instruct suggest thank. Correct option is option A, greet, inquire suggest and thank. Question number 8. What is the maximum coverage for insured male? Option A, 1000.